So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to install GitHub CLI for Windows. So I'm going to Google and I'm typing GitHub CLI for Windows. So let me go to this website. So what it's going to do is it's going to bring GitHub to the command line. So let me click download for Windows. And now I'm going to, so once the download is complete, I'm just going to click this button. It's going to take me through various steps to install GitHub CLI on my machine. So now let's say, yeah, so it is actually completed. So it would. So the first thing is, as it says, to get started with GitHub CLI, we need to run this command gh auth login, right? Or you can populate the gh underscore token environment variable with a GitHub API authentication token. So what I'll do next is that I will just choose gh auth login, and it's asking where to use GitHub. So it could be github.com, or okay, let me select github.com. What is your preferred protocol? HTTPS. Authenticate Git with your GitHub credentials. I say yes. How would you like to authenticate GitHub CLI? I'll say login with a web browser. Okay, so I have basically done the authentication or linking of this device with Git. Okay. Now, yeah, now it has figured out that the authentication is complete, and it has configured Git protocol, and it's saying logged in as Gansai. So the first command which I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new GitHub repository. So what would you like to do? Create a new repository on github.com from scratch. So I will say yes, I want to do it. Now it's asking me what is the repository name. Demo for GSCLI. Repository owner. I'm the owner. What is it's asking the description? Demo repo for GHCLI. I'm going to name it public. Would you like to add readme? Yes. Yes. Choose editing template. So let me put Java template. Say yes. That's it. Continue. So it is saying it has created a repository. Now I will say yes. Clone it locally. So it has actually cloned. So now let me do it right. So you can see that it has actually created these many files. So gh repo new so it has actually opened up, right? So just a minute ago, this project was got created, and we have done this with GitHub CLI, right? So this brings to the end of the video, and yeah, thank you for watching.